Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's say thanks to the God who always give us a chance and opportunity so that we can presentation about discussion from our group. Before we start the presentation, we will introduce our member. First, my name is Siti Naura Aulia Ratu Kalena, and I will answer the question number 2, 5, and 7.
My name is Adia Rahmana Firza. I will answer the question number 1, 3, and 8.
My name is Muhammad Fikra, and I will answer the question number 4 and 6.
Okay, so we start the presentation for the number 1. Ade Rahman Firza.
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. Number 1, regarding the first question about what is the data in the text form, the answer is the data is in the text, so that was we as reader can find out how the development of the influence of the new type of coronavirus. Then why does the writer present the data? The author's purpose in presenting the data is to infer everything related to the fact that actually happened. Data and event, including opinions and view on fact, data and events, so that readers can gain new knowledge and understand about various things that can happen on this earth. That's all from me. Then I return into the moderator.
Okay, I will answer the number 2. The question is in paragraph 1. Start from the line 3. The author writes, beside the influence on human life and health sector, it is necessary to mention that this outbreak, which has turned into a pandemic, would also have a lot of consequence in terms of politics and democracy. The question is, do you agree with the author statement and why? I personally don't agree with the author statement because, as we all know, the 22 regional head election was still being held, even though at that time COVID-19 was still first. In line 7, it is written the COVID-19 pandemic is no science fiction. What is the purpose of the statement? The answer is the meaning of this statement is there is COVID-19 pandemic is really real, and it is not a fabrication of fairy tale made up by someone. And what is the main idea of paragraph 1? Support your answer with reason. The main idea in paragraph 1 is the world has been under the effect of the new type of coronavirus for the last couple of months, because I think this sentence is the opening of paragraph 1, and this sentence introduces what kind of virus is infecting the world today. And next for the number 3.
Answer the number 3 is the word phenomenon referred to is a heated discussion on social media about whether Indonesia or Jakarta should do a lockdown. So the reader of the article can find out more about the current phenomenon. I think author wrote this because there were so many incidents where a group of people took advantage of the COVID-19 pandemic for their personal interest. It means that there are many group of people who are trying to make things chaotic in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. Next, I think the main idea of paragraph 2 is this one of example of phenomenon because this sentence open the discussion about the phenomenon that occurred during the COVID-19 pandemic crisis.
Okay, next for the number 4.
Number 4 in paragraph 3, line 1, it is written, we have seen on social media an attempt to portray. Whose attempt does the writer mean? And what does the attempt like? The answer is the writer means is the supporter of President Joko Widodo. The attempt is to name who oppose President Jokowi, especially those who openly support the Governor of Jakarta Anies Baswedan as the next President of Indonesia, as kadrun or destabilizer. Next, line 4 and 5, a soft lockdown. What does it mean? The answer is it means a lockdown that is not too strict, where people can still do activities outside home, but not on a large scale. Next, what does the main idea of paragraph 3? Support your answer with reason. The answer is I think that main idea of paragraph 3 is in a timely failed rebook at the Jakarta governor who had briefly restricted the city's transportation service. The president asserted that he alone held the right to impose a lockdown because this sentence is the debate between supporters of President Jokowi and supporters of the Governor Jakarta Anies Baswedan.
Okay, next for the number 5. In paragraph 4, line 1, it says the COVID-19 outbreak was being political. What does the sentence mean? Please explain your answer. The answer is the purpose of the COVID-19 outbreak has been political. This outbreak is widely used by a group of politicians so that this group of politicians win votes from the people. Next, line 6, it say the science is clear and simple. What does the science refer to and what does the sentence mean? The answer is the word science refers to how to handle COVID-19 infection. The meaning of this sentence is that we must reduce to number of COVID-19 transmission infection so that there is no belief in the hospital or other health place. Next is what is the main idea of paragraph 4. The main idea of paragraph 4 is Jokowi's concerns may be justified, but Anies' call for a lockdown is also perfectly rational, especially given the facts we have that Indonesia was dreadfully late to take measures to contain the virus the early stage of the outbreak and that other countries have taken the virus lockdown measures to survive the virus. Because I think the sentence explain what steps the Indonesian government should take to contain the spread of COVID-19. Next for the number 6.
Number 6, line 1, it says the challenge now is how both Jokowi and Anies do things. What does things refer to? The answer is it refers to how Jokowi and Anies suppress the transmission rate of COVID-19 in Indonesia or Jakarta. Next, line 4, the outer rights, science should take the lead and politics should not have a say in this. Why does the author write this sentence? The answer is, I think the author wrote this because a lot of news regarding the handling of COVID-19 broke in a politician as a search rather than a scientist or doctor. Next, line 10, it says a black and white spectrum. What does this phrase refer to? The answer is the meaning of this phrase is that there is still hesitation in making a decision. Next, what is the main idea of paragraph 5? The answer is the main idea of paragraph 5 is to do that the president and the governor, though perceived as political rivals, should put aside their egos and put the interest and safety of the nation above of all things.
Okay, next for the number 7, paragraph 6. In line 10 and 11, the author writes, if you are confused about how the central and local authorities are currently handling the situation, please don't bring politics into this. Why does the author write the sentence? The answer is, I think the author wrote the sentence because many politicians have interfered in the handling of COVID-19, either because of their intention to help or just to find people sympathizers. Next, line 16. It says, kill our democracy. What does it mean? Please explain your answer. In my opinion, this means that there should not be a debate on social media what the buzzers about how to deal with the COVID-19 outbreak to make democracy in out country disappear. And next is, what is the main idea of the paragraph 6? The main idea of paragraph 6 is President Jokowi has already come under fire for being excessively cautious in sharing information about the outbreak and failing to act fast to address it. Next, for the last number is number 8.
In response to the 8th question, do you agree with the imagination that Indonesia will end not with an atomic bomb explosion given by the enemy, but with a buzz created by a social media influencer buzzer? As we know that buzzer are a group that is very strong and adept at managing lies and first stupidities as public issues, through social media. Unwittingly, the fanfare and massive activity of political buzzer and both has harmed digital democracy. The shallow debate between buzzer, each of which use black propaganda techniques, is not only detrimental to the public, but also threatens the future of democracy, which leads to a democracy full of abuse. I agree with the statement on the question that Indonesia will end slowly. There are a lot of political buzzers who work for central political interests. This political buzzer group narrowly defend their political interests and criticize their political opponents to their heart content because political interests are personified in the candidate for governor. For example, the defense and resistance that occurs are also personal. That's all from me. Then I'll return to the moderator.
Okay, I think that's enough for our presentation. We really apologize if have a mistake and thank you for the attention. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.